Hola, Sally. I am. Can you help me? Of course. I mean, after all, heat is what I live for. Gracias. What exactly is heat? I'm glad you asked. Heat is the transfer of energy from one object to another. Oh, so heat is when I give another object energy? Exactly. One way that energy can be transferred is through radiation. Radiation? That's a big word. What does it mean? Well, radiation is when energy is transferred through space or matter in the form of infrared waves. So when you shine on me and I warm up, that's radiation? Yep, you got it. Gracias. Thanks for all your help. I finally understand heat. You're welcome. Glad I could help. Bye. Adios. Sally, the sun was such a big help. I'm glad she explained heat to me. Now that we know about heat, let's learn about temperature. I wonder if there's anybody that can help us. Did you say you needed help learning about temperature? See, I'm trying to figure out what it is and how to use it. I'm the perfect thermometer for the job. So what exactly is temperature? Well, temperature is the measure of the average kinetic energy of the particles in an object. Oh, so the temperature is the average speed that the particles in an object vibrate. Precisely. We use a thermometer like me to measure temperature. Are there different scales of measure? Yes, there's Celsius, which is the SI unit, which is based on the freezing and boiling points of water. So when I'm in my liquid state, the gas state, I'm at 100 degrees Celsius, and when I'm in my cold state, I'm at 0 degrees Celsius. Correct again. There's another unit called Kelvin. Unlike Celsius, Kelvin is based on absolute zero. So is absolute zero Kelvin? Yep. That in absolute zero is where all motion and particles stop and they cease to exist. Interesting. So at what temperature in Kelvin do I freeze and boil? Well, you boil at 373 Kelvin and freeze at 273 Kelvin. All you have to do when converting from Celsius to Kelvin is add 273. That's so easy. Gracias for explaining temperature to me. You're welcome. Bye. Wait, before you go, there's one more thing that I need to learn about. Okay, what do you need to know? Is temperature the same thing as thermal energy? No. While temperature is the average kinetic energy, thermal energy is the total kinetic energy of the particles in an object. Since thermal energy is the total, does it depend on mass? Yes, it does. Unlike temperature, thermal energy depends on how much mass an object has. So does a mountain have more thermal energy than a hill does? Yes, because the mountain is bigger and has more mass than a hill does. That makes sense. So the more space an object takes up, the more thermal energy it has. Exactly. I'm so glad Theo was so eager to help me learn about temperature and thermal energy. I wonder how changing the heat in an object will affect the temperature and thermal energy. Hi, Senor Agua. Do you need any help? Hola, Sam. I was just wondering how heat affects temperature and thermal energy. Oh, I just learned about this in class. I'll be glad to help. Gracias. So how does heat affect temperature and thermal energy? Well, since heat is the transfer of energy, if you increase the heat in an object, it will increase the amount of energy being transferred. Okay, that makes sense so far. Go on. So if you increase the amount of energy, the particles will have more energy and will vibrate or move faster, which will increase the temperature. So as you increase the heat, you also end up increasing the temperature. Exactly. What happens to the thermal energy as the heat increases? Well, since objects expand or get bigger, as their temperature increases, the total kinetic energy of the object will also increase. So if the heat in an object increases, so will the temperature, and that will cause the object to expand, therefore increasing the thermal energy. Correct. As heat increases, so does the temperature and thermal energy. Gracias, Sam. You helped me understand the relationship between heat, temperature, and thermal energy. You're welcome. Glad I could help. Bye. Adios. Today has been so fun and I've learned so much about heat, temperature, and thermal energy. I'm so glad I had my friends to help me on this learning adventure. Adios, until next time.